in the test, it was nothing like it was.
What?
It was nothing like it was in the test. Nothing like it was. Stupid. I don't believe you.
What are you even doing?
Where's the fucking...
My
Oh
teeth
fuck,
feel
where's...
funny.
I can't feel my mouth.
Sam is a gay. If you passed out, then you might be sick and then you might drown. Can't be asked to pick it up
Is he
again.
literally snoring?
I think he is.
He actually is. Oh my
I
god.
don't think he's. I don't think it's real though. I think he's
No,
lying.
maybe he
It's
is.
all fake.
Everyone be quiet because you can hear it.
Ollie, shut up.
I can't.
These fucking phones. Oh my god.
That's brilliant.
Sorry for the people in the chat that have to deal with this constant snuffling. Yeah. That's probably Sam. A few others.
Wait, how many people are listening to this?
4, I think.
I think I'm listening.
4
to
people
one.
are listening to your quality laugh,
I'm
which is truly, it's truly
I'm
you know,
one of
something
them.
else.
Depends
Hold
where
on,
Charlie
guys,
Cash used to
guys,
make.
wait. Is he snoring?
What?
He stopped.
That means bad things. He might have been
Yeah, he's clearly
suffocating
just,
in his own.
he's just drowned in his own vomit.
Get out.
That's the most logical
That's
explanation.
sad. I'm doing better than Kit. Does that count for something? Like, I should be drunk more often, actually. This is actually quite the happiest I've been in a long time, and I think that's actually quite sad,
Oh, you're happy.
in an ironic way.